A passkey is a simple and more secure way to verify your identity when logging in and making changes in Member Online. It's like a digital key that can be unlocked in the same way you unlock your smartphone, computer or tablet using biometric information unique to you or the device, such as your fingerprints or face, a PIN or a swipe pattern. The key is stored on your device. We make sure it matches the lock in Member Online. It's one of the multi-factor authentication options we offer to prevent unauthorized access to your account, even if someone guesses or steals your password. With 2 steps to set up, it should only take a few minutes and helps keep your GESB Member Online account safe. Before starting, choose a trusted device that you own and don't share with anyone else. Your passkey will only work on the device you set it up on. Check you have one of these features enabled on your device: fingerprint or facial recognition, screen unlock via PIN or swipe pattern. To avoid errors during setup, we recommend using the latest version of Google Chrome, Safari or Microsoft Edge. Now, log into your Member Online accounts or register at mol.gesb.wa.gov.au. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code sent to your email. This step will be replaced by your passkey once it is set up. You'll then be prompted to set up a security method for your account. Under Passkey, select Setup and a pop-up will appear with options to set up your passkey. These options can differ based on your device or operating system. In this example, we're using an iPhone. Follow the prompts from your device to finish your passkey setup. Once set up, your passkey is added to your Member Online account security details. You can find and update these by going to Personal Details, scrolling down to your security details, and selecting View or Update your security settings. The next time you log in or make a change to your account, you can use your passkey to verify your identity.